Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily convert any book from any format to another format. Let's say that you have a book under the format PDF and you would like to convert it to a TXT, LIT or AZW, then this video is for you. To begin, we will need our folder or our file to locate it. Here I have this PDF document as an example. Second step, you want to download and install this little software called Calibre. You will find it, just type in Google download Calibre and you'll be able to locate the official website. As a next step, you want to open the software as usual and click on your PDF file and drag into it. If you are unable to download and install the software, just mention it in the comment section and we'll give you the link to go directly to download it. As a next step, we want to right click and select Convert Books. Convert individually, and you can also convert in bulk. And here it automatically detects the input format. As an output format, we're going to select the format which we want, let's say Mobi. We're going to name it test, and we'll click OK. As soon as you have clicked OK, the job will begin, and you will need to wait a few seconds until the job is finished. As you can see, it has been finished. You can go ahead and click close, and as a next step, right click on the file itself and select save to disk. Select the location where you want to save your file. So we're going to select another file. So let's create a new file and just name it test so that you can just view the results. As a next step, name it as you wish and hit select folder. We'll retry again if it gives us that error. And again, and hit select folder. The copying of files will begin, and then it will automatically open for you where the file is saved. And here we have our file converted to 3 additional formats. So it has converted it into .pdf, .opf, .mobi, and even into a picture. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.